In this video, I'll show you how to correctly create a wallet in Robinhood. So I have in here this website, Robinhood, which is robinhood.com, and you should be able to see this. If you want to create the wallet, head over and click onto this Get Started option right here from the website, or click onto this Sign Up option right here. So you can head over and then click on that. And then once you have done that, you should be able to proceed to this one. Just head over and choose in here your region. I'll choose United States and click on continue. Then just fill up the information right here for your first name, last name, address, as well as password. So I have successfully filled those up. Now you need to do is to just head over and fill out your phone number, residential address, apartment and building, city, state, and zip code. So just head over and then go and fill up all the information, and once you're done filling those up, you should be able to create a wallet directly into the Robinhood institution. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.